guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been watching my videos, you know by now how much I love all different types of cuisines from all over the world. A lot of people find it very intimidating cooking different types of cuisines. I think the fear lies in not understanding the basic ingredients that they need in terms of cooking a specific type of cuisine. Today I would like to share all the basic and main ingredients for Chinese seasonings if you would like to make delicious, yummy, and flavorful Chinese food, just like your Chinese takeout. Let's get started! The sauces and spices in front of me are the ones that I usually use for my Chinese cooking. I'm going to walk you through one by one to help you pick your own at your local Asian grocery store. Let's talk about soy sauce, the most important ingredients for all Chinese cooking. It is used for stir frying, marinating, and dipping sauce. It is made from fermented soybeans and wheat. It is important to pick a good one. The one I have here is a light type of soy sauce, and the brand is Kim Lan. I like this brand because their soy sauce is flavorful and it's not too salty. When you're at your local store, make sure you don't pick the cheapest you can find. I have tried that myself. The cheaper soy sauce has no flavor. All you can taste is just salt. A good quality ones should have main ingredients as soybeans and wheat. The way to store soy sauce is very easy. After you have opened it, you would like to keep it in a dark, cool place like your pantry or kitchen cabinet. That's where I store mine. So the next ingredient we would like to talk about is dark soy sauce. You must be confused now. There are dark soy sauce? Yes, but no worry. When your recipe asks for soy sauce, they usually mean the light ones. Dark soy sauce does have a different flavor. It is less salty, darker, and richer. Even has a hint of sweetness in it. It's usually used for its color. Add that classic dark caramelized color to your stir-fried dishes. I love this in my noodles. It's very flavorful. But, however, if there's only one type of soy sauce you can afford, I definitely will go with the light soy sauce. Because without this dark soy sauce, you will still be able to make many other dishes. But without the light soy sauce, you basically can't make much of any of the Chinese dishes. Let's move on to the next one. This is oyster sauce. It's a salty and sweet sauce made from oyster extract. It is widely used in stir-frying vegetables and noodles, and it's so yummy. I usually use it in my vegetarian and tofu dishes. I particularly like this Li Kam Kei brand because they make good oyster sauce. There's also a vegetarian version of this sauce, which is made from mushroom. When you go to your store, make sure you read the label. The main ingredients of the sauce should be oyster extract. Also, after you have opened your oyster sauce, you would like to store it in the fridge. If not, it will get spoiled. Okay. Next, we would like to talk about rice cooking wine. The main ingredients are rice and wheat. It is mainly used to remove odor from meat and enhancing the aroma of dishes. If you cannot find it at your local store, you can also use dry sherry for substitution. The next one is sesame oil. It is mainly made from sesame seeds. It is not used for stir frying because it has a very low boiling point. It is used for marinating, enhancing flavor of different dishes. I personally love to use it in a lot of dishes, especially my most favorite Chinese chicken salad. When you're at the store, make sure the main ingredients are sesame seed. Pay attention to this rich, beautiful brown color. The way you store it, just keep it in a cool, dark place. And the next one is rice vinegar. It is a lot less acidy than the normal vinegar. It is usually used in a lot of soup, sweet and sour dishes, and dipping sauces. I don't have a specific recommendation because my local Asian stores do not stock the same brands. They change their inventory very frequently. I hope yours will be better. Next is chili sauce. The funny thing is this chili sauce is made from Thailand. I have tried many different types of chili sauces. I don't quite like them, and this one is the one that I really like. Remind me of the one that I grew up with. I soak in chili oils with garlic, chili peppers, and chili powders. I really like this. This brand is called Spicy Hot Fried Chili Paste, and it's very delicious. Let me show you a closer look. We use chili sauce in many dishes. You can add this in your noodles. You can also make your kung pao with this. Hopefully you will be able to find something similar. This is definitely a yummy oil-based one. This is a 5-spice powder. It is a blend of cloves, Sichuan peppercorns, star anise, Chinese cinnamon, and fennel. It has the taste of bitter, sweet, sour, pungent, and spicy. It is usually used for marinating meat and tofu. It makes your dishes very distinctively different. So you would like to stock this, especially if you have a love for Sichuan food. Sichuan dishes ask for a lot of this. It usually comes in this big bag. I just use a refillable container to store a small portion. It's easier for me to use it that way. The next one is ground white pepper. It's widely used for marinating meat and making different dishes more spicy. A lot of the ingredients call for it, and I usually purchase it in a big bag and refill it in this smaller container. The next is garlic. A lot of recipes call for it. I personally love to use the fresh garlic. Just mince it before cooking. This is the best way. I also keep some garlic powder in my cabinets just in case if I run out of the fresh ones. How you pick a good ones? The way you pick a good one is you give a little pressure to it. If the garlic cloves give in a little bit, you know that it's kind of getting soft and old, you would like to pass. And also you want to visually check whether there are molds on them. So if there are molds, you also do not want to get those types. Get as firm and as fresh as you can find. And the next one widely used is ginger. We use a lot of ginger in all different type of dishes. How you want to find a good ones are by looking at them. The darker ones are usually older. The one that look a little dry and wrinkly like this one, they are usually means they are older, not as young. You would like to get the fresh young ones. That's it. All these sauces that and spices I have just shared with you are the ones that I usually use when I make my own Chinese food. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions regarding all the sauces and spices that I have shared with you, please leave me comments. If you like videos like this, please let me know. Please also like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.